for an additional equipment to replace a broken one or to have a backup? FIS has the New to You program to help your budget. You can purchase pre-owned test and splicer equipment from our rental and overstock inventories, including demo models and the occasional trade-in at 20 to 60% off the original price. All the equipment is maintained and certified by our own calibration service department to ensure top performance. Get a certified pre-owned FIS CA3 Core Alignment Fusion Splicer for $3,500. Or a pre-owned Anritsu Network Master Series OTDR at its reduced price of $29.50, and save more than 45% on a Fitel S179 Fusion Splicer. Interested? Purchase your certified pre-owned fiber optic equipment at fiberinstrumentsales.com or contact your FIS sales representative at 1-800-5000-FIS. Check out our channel and hit the subscribe button for new videos.